Hey, good morning, Pete, North Las Vegas. Um, I've decided to take a look at the door hinges, and I kind of remember this. It's been a long time since I worked on this car, but I do remember the passenger side being very tight, and the driver's side obviously gets 10 times the amount of wear. But I do have a little bit of slop in it, and I don't know how good the camera's going to pick it up, but it's not real bad, but I can't live with that. So what I discovered was, if you look at the bushing right here, and when I open the door, I don't know how well the camera's going to pick it up. Let me see if I can get it in here. You can see that the whole bushing is moving in the door hinge instead of just the pin in the bushing. Now, it doesn't look wallowed out. It doesn't look real bad to me yet. So I bought a rebuild kit. Got this from Classic. And because I don't trust anybody anymore to make anything right, I double check everything. So I measured the pin on the car, and I cleaned off the paint and the gunk with a wire brush and got a pretty good reading. So anyway, that number is pretty much identical to this number. So I'm satisfied that the pin is correct. If the pin's correct, I'm thinking the bushings are probably okay. So today I'm going to pull the door off and try to rebuild the hinges. The upper hinge is fine. It's still tight. The roller's good. But I'm going to go ahead and put in new bushings anyway. The lower hinge, I'm not too sure about. I know they sell oversized bushings, so I may look at that and possibly drilling that out and putting a bigger bushing in. Or I may just say, you know what, I don't feel like doing all that, and just buy a whole brand new hinge. But anyway, won't know until we get the door off and get the hinges off and see exactly what's going on. Okay, Pete, North Las Vegas, over and out.